Would like to say a few words or your thoughts about the match tomorrow?
Good afternoon. Yeah, about tomorrow match. Yes, again, one of the preparation game for the AFF to see which player suitable for the AFF final 23. It should be a competition each other. Maybe after the game, we will decide 23 final squad. So hopefully everybody will present their performance to convince us and also convince to the public they can be they deserve to be a final squad. And I think, yeah, tactically also, yeah, we maintain our team playing style, but approach a little bit different way. Then we want to see how we can adapt quickly. So those things maybe you can see tomorrow.
Can we have the first question from the floor?
Good morning, Coach. Good afternoon, Coach. You said to give all the players a good chance to win, to be in the final 23 squad. What are you looking at that final 23? What qualities you expect from these players to be in the 23?
May not be to everybody. I think in terms of course we selection final 23 also important, but strategically, tactically, preparation for the AFF also important. So we will put first priorities our tactical preparation. During practice, every single day we observe the players and also evaluate players. So maybe which someone maybe deserve to be in the squad tomorrow, then maybe should be a good opportunity for them to present. But the other way is we need some repetition, maintain some position. We cannot change too much because we need a plan to approach this game to prepare AFF. What I want to see mostly I evaluate player characteristics. Tactically, strategically, technically, well adapt our team, and also aggressiveness, wildness, dynamic, smartness, intelligence, all the what we request. I think they should present. Not only the tomorrow game, but they already present in the league game. That's why I selected. I think they already deserve to be in our team, but among themselves, good players themselves, they competition each other. Final decision will be according to our tactical approach, not the individual ability approach. So tactically, strategically, if we need someone, maybe the other one will be sacrificed for the that decision. Thank you.
Coach, as we know, AFF is one competition, but we also have Asian Cup. You need to do some planning for Asia Cup as well from this squad. So how you balance to test the players and get some good result in AFF, not much matches, so how you see that challenge to balance it?
Very difficult question. Yeah. For example, we build the one team. We cannot change every single match, to the other players. There should we have some core. We should keep it on. Core we cannot change. Core we should keep it on. Then maybe the other little bit add, competition. But this moment, I think quite very tough situation. I think most of players are new. Better we focus on this stage. We cannot think too much for more further because the tournament is very close. We have been very short time and also new phase. So better, focus on this AFF to perform, best perform to given to the public. That is I think the most important part. So Asian Cup, maybe on this stage, if they have a good performance, convince us. Maybe also this is a benefit for the players, because if we are confident on him, should be we will maintain to call them to join our national team. That is, I think, a benefit for the players.
Untuk Jimmy mungkin boleh ulas sikit macam mana game lawan esok pagi daripada segi pertahanan ke keserasian antara pemain ke?
Okey, bagi saya untuk perlawanan esok tu kita boleh lihat mungkin tu satu perlawanan yang tough juga untuk kita, dan saya harap apa yang Coach Kim cuba terapkan kepada semua player dapat beri satu persembahan dan komitmen yang baiklah di dalam padang tu untuk preparation kita dalam AF ni, dan saya harap siapa pun yang bermain akan dapat beri persembahan yang baiklah untuk perlawanan tu.
Jimmy, tanpa Dianku, sebelum Dianku sampai, Jimmy mungkin dilihat sebagai dalam barisan pertahanan orang yang paling senior. So, macam mana pula perasaan dua perlawanan ni, sebab mungkin berlainan dengan sebelum ni yang apa yang pernah Jimmy lalui, sebab ada Dianku, ada pada semua.
Bagi saya ialah kita boleh lihat dengan ketiadaan Dianku Sport masa ni, kita dapat satu pair yang baru dalam setiap perlawanan, dan bagi saya benda tu tak jadi masalah untuk diri saya dan juga player-player lain, sebab sebelum ni pun kita dah training bersama dan duduk bersama apa semua, dan mungkin bagi saya benda tu tak mengambil masa yang lama untuk kami serasi di dalam padang, dan saya percaya kepada semua pemain walaupun dalam perlawanan yang kita boleh lihat perlawanan yang besar macam ni, tapi diorang still boleh beri komitmen yang baiklah dalam satu pasukan.
Next, anyone?
Hi Coach, I'm Vignesh from Bernama. Coach, from the previous match, how you assess the current set of players? to face the AFF Cup?
You mean assess players' performance?
To the AFF Cup. Are you like confident enough with the performance?
Yes, very happy, very confident on them. What I demanding to them is not easy. Like they need to run like dog. They fight as a team. So a lot of elements, very difficult task, but they did. Very disciplined, very commitment, very loyalty. All element was there. I can see how they love their country. That when their national anthem, I can see that they are fire eyes. So I respect them. Zero complaint. I'm fully respect. I'm very happy with all players' performance.
Soalan terakhir untuk Kuzaini, personal expectation untuk game esok menentang Maldives. Rasa macam personal expectation. Rasa macam Maldives tu kuat ataupun macam ni?
Bagi kami tak boleh sambil lewa lah untuk setiap perlawanan, sebab dalam bola sepak ni apa saja boleh berlaku dan kita tak boleh ambil mudah dengan next game besok tentang Maldives. Dan saya harap semua player yang akan bermain untuk perlawanan esok dapat beri satu persembahan dan komitmen yang baik dan dapat beri give lebih daripada 100% lah untuk game tentang Maldives besok.
Okay, anyone? Last question, eh?
Coach, how important this time, because we are heading for Asian Cup, how important this time for the players in order to build their performance before the Asian Cup? How important all the players to be in this team for this time for you, coach?
I think for the players, I think good opportunity for them to competition each other. So maybe I already now shake my heart because of some very attractive players. I think they are very competitive enough. I think they also can deserve to play maybe Asian level. So maybe if you go through this tournament, if they perform well, their value will be triply, become very valuable player. Players value when they value come out. In the competition, perform well. That time is the most value to present to the public and also maybe another country. Who knows? Maybe after this game, another country will approach to them to scouting like that. So even not only for this East Asian region. As I know, this competition will be live stream in Korea, maybe I don't know, possibly Japan, because they have some squad for the East Asian squad, especially Japan, K-League second division. So maybe really open for them the opportunity to present their performance, to open up their opportunity, maybe go to overseas. So this is one of the important point for them. The other, Asian Cup final is a beautiful tournament. Cannot compare with those like qualification stage. I have been there. Beautiful. Especially maybe this Qatar Asian Cup should be beautiful. We will use World Cup stadium. Competition was maybe, who knows, maybe some World Cup, playing those, maybe Korea, Japan, maybe Australia, Qatar will be in our group. Maybe we can compete with them. How beautiful as a players. So very, very beautiful competition. Now those players have opportunity to convince our coaching staff and convince them to the public. I think it should be good motivate for them to fight for, challenge for get into, Asian Cup final. So I want to help them. My job is to service them, to give them motivate, to help them to be good condition, to help them to well preparation into the game. Then if they well perform, I'm very happy. So I will fully help them. Our coaching staff will be fully support them to competition in AFF to prove that they are best players. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, coach. Thank you, players.
Thank you very much.
Bye.